So good afternoon. This is a Bloom Telegram airdrop. So we are going to talk about Bloom today. So when you go to your Telegram, you go to your Bloom, then you click on Launch Bloom. This is where you click on Launch your Bloom. When you click on Launch Bloom, you wait till it load. So you can see this is my Bloom. This is the game. So when the card you are given, you are meant to play the game. So you farm every 8 hours. So when you click on farm, you wait after 8 hours to come and claim your Bloom. So these are the tasks that are under Bloom. So you perform your task, then you go to friends. You are to invite 10 friends. So you can see that I've already completed my own invitation. I've already invited 10 friends, so no more link for inviting again. So task, you've done your task, then you come back to home. Here you wait for your farming to be done. You can see it remains 2 hours. So I will come back to my Telegram, to my Bloom, to come and claim my farm, my Bloom after the next 2 hours. Then I will click on farming again. So here you can see game. I have 10 cards, so I can play. Just click on play. So you just be all this green farm. You click, try to avoid the bump. If you click on the ice, you can see after I click on the ice, just make sure you avoid the bump. If you click on the bump, all your mining will go. So click on the ice so that you can pause to gain more Bloom. That's how it goes. You can see. Can you see? So you have, I think it's like 25 seconds for you to tap on the Bloom. Don't miss the ice so that you can have more, and try to have. So after that you can play. If you want to play, you can play again, but me, I'm going back. So you can see my Bloom number will increased. Thank you.